the Zen Sleep Essential Oil Blend, 30 milliliters lavender and rosemary relaxing oil for diffusers and humidifiers. Okay, so what I love about this is that you can put this in your diffuser and humidifier, and or right, and so it helps with calming aromatherapy. You can, it disperses it in the air, so this way you can, feel that calmness, that relaxation, and eventually you will, fall asleep. And so this is something worth having and utilizing, right? Putting it in your humidifier or diffuser right before bedtime to help you be more relaxed for bedtime, right? And so definitely check this out, guys. It is, they even put here creates a tranquil bedtime atmosphere. Soothing scent helps unwind after a busy day, right? Because let's face it, sometimes after a busy day, it can be kind of hard to unwind. This helps you with that. Helps relax tired muscles during massage, okay? Can be used to refresh pillows or linens, right? Sorry, or linens. So you can put drops on your pillows and linens as well, okay? So that's really cool. All right, that's another way to utilize this. So many different ways, right? Non GMO, 100% vegan, cruelty free, 100% natural, hexen free, blended in the USA, okay? And so, once again, if you're struggling in sleep and rest, relaxation, calmness, this is another item worth considering. I have it